as we destigmatize psychiatric illness, I want there to be billboards about donating for the care of schizophrenia, not just cancer, not just muscular dystrophy, for people to realize how much human suffering these conditions are responsible for.
Please join me in welcoming Dr. Kenneth Kendler, a world-renowned expert on the genetics of psychiatric and substance abuse disorders. Dr. Kendler serves as the director of VCU's Institute for Psychiatric and Behavioral Genetics. Without further ado, Dr. Kendler.
Thank you for that introduction. So let's think for a moment about our brain. These estimates vary, but the latest estimate is 86 billion neurons that we have in our brain. How do we begin to understand what the abnormalities of those subtle changes, small groups, probably thousands of neurons only, in the brain might be doing? It's extremely challenging. Virginia Institute for Psychiatric and Behavioral Genetics. We now have 19 faculty in the group.
We're always just trying to make a little bit more progress towards, okay, can we understand the biology of this disorder, whether it's substance use disorders, depression, suicidal behavior, schizophrenia.
It's not genes or environment, but you've got both of these things working over developmental time in this kind of intricate ballet that leads to psychiatric disorders. We have projects in the Netherlands, in England, Sweden, Denmark. We have projects in Australia, Taiwan, Singapore, India, Vietnam, and Pakistan. In research, it's important because it informs efforts at prevention. With very rare exception, all of the major drugs for psychiatric illness were developed by accident, and most of them in the 1950s and 1960s. The antidepressants, lithium, antipsychotics, they were not found based on actually knowing what the cause is, and that produces drugs that are only moderately effective and are very dirty and have lots of side effects. So my dream is to use the findings we're having in genetics to identify mechanisms and then develop drugs that are specific for those mechanisms with much more benign side effect protocol than we have now. Having lived and experienced what the tragedies of psychotic illness is like, it's horrible. And, if one says on my gravestone, I sort of, found some discovery where I would be helping prevent or cure more effectively one or two of the major psychiatric disorders, that would be a very profound feeling for me.